In this video,
we will learn how to fix unable to join friends in GTA 5. In GTA 5, if you are unable to join your friend's lobby, a session jump can help you solve this issue. In order to do that, all you need to do is press escape. From here, head to the online tab. After coming in here, you need to quit to the story mode of GTA 5. So after you in the story mode of Grand Theft Auto 5, all you need to do is open the online lobby, and in order to do that, press escape. From here you need to head to the online tab, then click on play online button. From here you can open any session that you want. You can open a public or a closed friend session. Invite only session can trigger issues, so you should go for closed friend session, then hit OK. After you have opened up the new session, you can just head back into the online tab and join your friends who you are initially unable to join, and the issue should be solved. So this is how you can easily solve the issue of cannot joining into a friend's game in GTA 5 and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.